Exercise 10.2 Question 4 Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of diameter of a circle are parallel. किसी सर्कल के डायमीटर के सिरों पर खींचे गए टेंजेंट्स पैरेलल होते हैं, समानांतर होते हैं, ये हमें सिद्ध करना है। गिवन PQ is a diameter of a circle whose center is O. AB and CD are two tangents drawn at point P and Q. To prove AB is parallel to CD. Proof. Since a tangent at a point to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point, therefore PQ is perpendicular to AB. Therefore PQ is perpendicular to AB. Similarly, PQ is perpendicular to CD. Therefore, this angle is 90 degree, angle APO, and this angle is 90 degree, angle DQO. एंगल APO को हम एंगल APQ भी लिख सकते हैं। सिमिलरली एंगल DQO को एंगल DQP is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are equal, each 90 degree. APQ is equal to angle DQP. From above. But these angles are alternate angles. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Proved. Question 5. Proved that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. किसी टेंजेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट पर खींचे गए परपेंडिकुलर सेंटर से होकर के जाता है, हमें प्रूव करना है। गिवन AB is tangent drawn at point P to a circle whose center is O. Let, if possible, PQ is a line perpendicular to AB, not passing to O. If possible, let PQ is a line perpendicular to AB. To prove, PQ passes through center O. Proof. Since a tangent through point of contact P is drawn, therefore it is perpendicular to radius PO. Therefore, AB is perpendicular to PO. Therefore, angle APO is 90 degree. Also, PQ is perpendicular to AB, therefore angle APQ 90 degree. from 1 and 2. These two angles are equal. Angle APO is equal to angle APQ. APO and APQ. These two angles are equal if and only if PO and PQ are collinear. It is only possible O. Proved. Question 6. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. सेंटर से 5 सेंटीमीटर दूरी पर स्थित एक बिंदु एक पॉइंट ए से टेंजेंट ड्रा किया गया है 80. इस टेंजेंट का लंबाई है 4 सेंटीमीटर. पॉइंट ए की डिस्टेंस है ओ से 5 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. हमें इस सर्कल का रेडियस ओ टी ज्ञात करना है. गिवन ओ ए इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. Length of tangent 8 is equal to 4 centimeter. To find radius OT. Since a tangent through a point to a circle is perpendicular to the radius passing through the point of contact, therefore 8 is perpendicular to OT. Since tangent is perpendicular to radius, therefore 8 is perpendicular to OT. Therefore angle ATO is 90 degree. Therefore triangle ATO is right triangle. In right triangle ATO by Pythagoras theorem. OT square plus AT square is equal to AO square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. OT we have to find. AT 4 centimeter 4 square. AO 5. (25 minus 16) is equal to 9. OT is equal to, is taking square root 3. Answer, radius is equal to 3 centimeter.